Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making chocolate cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cups of dark cocoa, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of hot water. For the icing you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of dark cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. In your mixing bowl, combine the sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix well. Now add the eggs, milk, canola oil, and vanilla extract and mix for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, carefully pour in the hot water and mix well. At this point, your batter will have a thin consistency. Prepare 3 8-inch pans by spraying with cooking spray and dusting with cocoa powder. Evenly distribute your batter among the 3 pans, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to cook for approximately 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove them from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool. To make the icing, sift together the confectioner's sugar, cocoa powder, and cinnamon. In your mixer, cream together the cream cheese and butter until it is smooth. Now add the vanilla and the heavy cream and continue mixing. Now add the sugar and cocoa powder mixture and continue mixing until well combined. Make sure your cakes are leveled. If necessary, you can use a knife or cake saw. And now you are ready to apply your icing. Top with shaved baker's chocolate. Then finish by applying your border. This chocolate cake is a chocolate cake lover's dream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos twice a week, enough to leave your pathway. At Soul